Hello guys, today is finally the day where I launched my first SaaS, my first startup, DP's Templates. It is the one that I've been working on for the past few months, as you saw on the channel. The whole idea started at the beginning of this 2025, where I decided to make a big shift into my development journey. So I decided to ship way faster, a lot of more apps, basically just iOS apps. As you can see on my Manuele Di Pietro's page on App Store, you will see a lot of apps in a short amount of time. But then I realized that on X, there were a lot of people that were building micro SaaS, and all these web apps using the latest tech stack with Next.js. And so I decided to give this a try. I said, okay, let's learn the technology, because I knew it was pretty famous, pretty convenient. So I sat there for 2-3 months building, understanding the technology, watching videos on YouTube, making GPT my personal assistant for creating me a roadmap on how to learn Next.js. And so starting from basically zero with this stack, I decided to challenge myself and create a product built in Next.js that was selling something in Next.js. So but this is basically 0 to 100. And this was a very nice challenge to make. It all started 2 months ago, where I decided to create my own library, my own UI kits, my own components, because I saw a lot of high prices, actually very low value for this kind of stuff, like as Eternity or Tailwind UI. I mean, the UI still look great, but I think the prices were a bit too high. So this is probably the best price you will find for this kind of product. My goal was to build something for indie developers and solopreneurs that were basically losing a lot of time building their next modern portfolio or website or landing page, or maybe create a nice component or nice button, nice form that will actually please the users. And so I actually gathered some feedback and created the whole components, from hero sections to buttons to bend to grids to pricing sections. Everything you can imagine is in there. And if there isn't, well, tell me in the comments and I will add it so everyone will be happy. So what will you find in this product? Basically, you will find pre-made components and templates in Next.js, TailwindCSS, TypeScript, and Motion, Framer Motion React, how do you want to call it? You call it. And is a library made for animations, for transitions, etc., which is really, really great. And all my templates are built with Motion. You can see them. They're all fantastic with the fade in, with the delay and stuff. It is really amazing. This product made me learn a lot, from Next.js completely to Supabase to Stripe to Resent, to buying also a domain. I didn't know how to buy a domain. I didn't know how to set a domain on Vercel with the DNSs. I didn't know anything. So basically this was a 0 to 100 project, and I'm really glad I stick to it, because there were times that I thought of quitting, to be honest, because it was really getting hard. I couldn't understand how to fix some issues, but I'm really glad I stuck with it, because I learned very, very much. I learned backends. I learned how to use the API routes in Next.js, how to make API calls, how to use the try-catch, how to use Stripe, the payments, all this amazing stuff, and I'm really glad that I'll stick to it. So right now I'm more prone and focused on marketing the product, otherwise it will just be invisible and my time will be wasted. But I'm really posting on X, on LinkedIn. I will link everything down in the description if you want to see stuff, if you want to see what I post, if you want to follow me for my content, etc. So everything will be down in the description, no doubt. Just one click away. And of course, the product will be there in the description too. So if you want to try it, if you want to see how it looks, how it animates, what does it contain, everything is down there. And also I decided to create a little offer for you guys. So basically, if you buy one component or template and use it, and you tag me on X or LinkedIn or wherever, you will get for free 2 components of your choice. So basically, it's just a win-win. You will get basically 3 products at the price of 1. So I made this offer just for you guys, just for this new project. But this is not over, because once that will be finished, I will start other products. I don't know which one yet, but I don't want to stop just on this. I want to continue my learning journey. I want to continue my SaaS portfolio, and I want to grow as fast as possible and as big as possible. So thank you guys for attention. Thank you for sticking with me, and yeah, good things to come. See you guys.